Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and let's jump into today's project. And to make this, we're gonna use two pieces of 1x2 of 6 inches, two pieces of 22 inches of 1x6, no, 1x2, and one piece of 1x6, that's the one, of 22 inches, wood glue, some wooden cubes, nails. I got those at Walmart. And now we're gonna move on to start adding our glue to our smaller wooden pieces. Those. And we're gonna attach those to the ends. And I forgot that this two are 22 inches, but my wooden center 1x6, it's 20. So we can have 1 inch to each side. So it covers the edges or the sides. And we're gonna add more glue to the other side and attach it. Now I forgot that I had to add my feet to my box, so I took it off and started all over because that's what we do. No, you just add your feet first before gluing it. Don't do as I do as I say. And we're gonna glue that and flip it over. You see me struggling here trying to get it in, but I'm gonna flip it over and then attach my cube box, the box to my bottom part. Now we let it dry completely, and then we're gonna move on to staining it. Before of that, I'm gonna add my nails because I had to take that some other place to nail it. And now I'm using antique wax to stain it, and I'm using a wet kind of damp sponge brush. Yes, that's a damp sponge brush, and I'm just staining away. If you like what you see here, and if you like modern farmhouse and boho decor and a couple of silly jokes and me forgetting the words to what I should be saying, just subscribe because that's what I do every single time. And now I'm showing you my nails. As you can see, I had to take that to the floor so I could nail those nails because they were hard. But now I'm just showing you that I'm gonna paint all around it, including the feet, the bottom, the sides, everything. We're gonna paint everything of our wooden box or stain. That will be, yeah, stain. See, I can remember my words. And as you can see, I have a nail there that came a little bit out, but I'm just painting it and forgetting about it. And then after we finish and it's all painted, we're gonna decorate it. So that's why I'm not taking too much care of that nail that's out. But I should, so just forget it. You never saw that one. And continue painting until you paint all of it. Up, down, bottom, feet, everything. And then let it dry completely so we can move on to decorating it. This is part of the Falling into Fall DIY challenge hosted by Marika from Marika Creations, and this is her channel. You would love it, believe me. She has wonderful ideas and she's really crafty. And also it's hosted by Shushana from Regal Designs by Shushana and the Cleaning Queen, and you will love both of her channels. She has a DIYing and a cleaning channel. In the description box down below, you're gonna find the links for the playlist and also to their channels. Go and check them out. And now we're gonna take our wooden box and we're gonna start decorating it. Look at that, it looks beautiful. I'm taking this garland that I got from eBay and it just arrived and I'm so happy. And I'm adding that to the bottom of my box, but you can use anything you have at home, or you can buy maybe some eucalyptus from Walmart or your dollar store. And I'm just arranging it like that, and I'm gonna keep on playing with it until I find the perfect placing for it. Then, when I finish placing it, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start adding the candles and the pumpkins you see there. And now I'm loving that it's just hanging a little bit on the sides, but I want to add some of that eucalyptus to the middle of my box. And now I place it like that, and I keep on playing with it. And then I'm gonna add my taller candle. I got this ones at Walmart, and I'm gonna add the middle one, like the medium sized. No, that was the smaller one. The smaller one, and then the medium sized candle to the other side. And I'm placing them like I want them. You can play with it as much as you want. And then I'm gonna add 2 cute pumpkins. And that will be it for my centerpiece. Look how cute. I love it. And this is how my centerpiece turned out. As you can see, those are the beautiful candles and the pumpkins. This is how it's looking. There you can see the wooden box on the bottom. That's how it looks. I styled it with the other pieces I made for today and something I made for last year. And this is how it's looking. I love it. I just want to take this opportunity to thank Marika and Shushana for bringing us this awesome challenge. I love my new centerpiece. And remember, if you like what you see here and you like modern farmhouse boho decor and lots of silly jokes and fall decor, yes, I do seasonal decor too, subscribe because that's what I'm bringing. Lots of silly jokes. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching this type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.